Magpaparenovate ka ng bahay? Para sa'yo ang video na to! Tok Tok! Renovation hacks you should know! Hack number 20!
Guys, so today we are on our way for an ocular kasi we have a client na gustong ipa-check yung mga items niya for renovation sa bahay niya. So that's why we're having this hack. Because hack number 20, we thought about, this is going to be about 4 things you must have ready bago ka magpatawag ng contractor to do an ocular to give you an estimate para sa renovation na gusto mong ipagawa.
Hi guys, for our hack number 1, you should be ready as a client with the list of the scope of work. Dapat, bago kayo magpatawag ng renovator or contractor, mayroon na kayong specific list in mind kung ano yung mga dapat nyong ipagawa. This is to avoid na mapunta yung usapan sa kung saan-saan. It's an agenda to look at habang nag-ocular kami.
Hack number 2 naman na kailangan mong i-ready pag nagpapatawag ka ng contractor for a renovation is syempre yung mga gusto mong makita at the end of the renovation. So, kailangan magpakita ng mga pictures, design pegs, or kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari sa specific na location na ipapagawa mo. So, you can have references like from Pinterest, o kaya may mga showrooms sa mga TikTok videos or Facebook videos na gusto mong makita or mangyari sa space na yan. So, kasi mas maganda makikita ng contractor kung ano bang klaseng finish yung gusto mo, maybe yung idea ng color or ng kung gaano ka modern gusto mong mangyari sa spot na yon. So, better talaga kung makakapagpakita ka ng mga pegs and designs na gusto mo.
For our hack number 3, let's talk about the most crucial part of any renovation, the budget zone. So, when speaking about your budget, be honest. Huwag kang magbigay ng specific amount, pero magbigay ka ng range. So, the contractor can say kung magpa-match ba yung dream renovation or target mong finish dun sa budget na inallocate mo. And as a contractor, we can help you at least to figure kung paano ba natin ma-achieve with a given budget.
Number 4 is the timeline. So, gaano mo katagal gustong mangyari yung renovation na gusto mong ipagawa? Or meron ka bang specific target date na kailangan matapos na yung work? With your timeline, kailangan nyo rin mapag-usapan dun sa contractor yung lead time nila. Kasi syempre, kapag napag-usapan nyo na kung ano yung mga gagawin, makakapag-estimate na rin si contractor ng lead time niya. So, yun na. Kailangan nyo nang mag-agree dun sa kung magmamatch ba siya sa timeline mo at saka sa lead time ni contractor. So, dapat mai-discuss nyo na rin yun kapag nagkapagpa-ocular na kayo for the renovation work.
That's our 4 things to be ready with if you ask a contractor to come over to your place. And another bonus, huwag kakalimutan if you can bring your own tape measure and a notebook with a pen so you can list things down. So, ulit, number 1, make a list of scope of work. Number 2, have peg designs, photos of the things that you want na maging consideration sa design, and then budget and timeline. So, if you are a homeowners or a condo dwellers na nag-iisip na magpapagawa at magpapa-improve ng inyong mga spaces, you can contact our company for more detailed costings and proposal. Ipa-flash namin dito sa screen yung aming details so you can message our company.
That's it. Thank you for watching. Now you know.